In this video, you will learn how to edit the navigation bar, also known as the Navbar, of your Brightspace course. The Navbar allows students and instructors to navigate different areas of a particular class. For example, going to assignments, exams/quizzes, or discussion areas within the course. Some tools will appear in the Navbar by default, so if you don't want to include them in your course, you may want to adjust it. It's worth noting that some links you include in your Navbar may not be available to your students. For example, the Quick Eval tool and Course Admin tool will not be present for any learners in the Navbar. However, they will be there for instructors. If you're curious how your Navbar appears to students, then you should enter Learner View to preview your course from a student perspective. To begin editing your Navbar, hover over it and select the three dots to the right. Then select Customize this Navbar. Once clicked, you may receive this message about creating a copy. Stony Brook has a default Navbar that is shared by all courses, and it can't be edited by instructors. You can, however, create a copy of it that will be specific to your course. This copy can be edited however you wish. In the Edit Navbar area, head to the Links section. Here is where you can see all the shortcuts currently in your Navbar. If you hover over each section, you'll notice an X. If you choose this X, it will remove this shortcut from your Navbar. For example, if I didn't have any discussions in my course, I could remove discussions from my Navbar. Please note, it is highly recommended to not delete the Course Admin and Learner Resources shortcuts. The Course Admin shortcuts allows instructors to access all course tools, so it is a very important resource to keep in your Navbar. And the Learner Resources tool allows students to access a variety of resources specific to Stony Brook. If you would like to reorder links in your Navbar, simply hover over the link and click and hold it to move it to a new location. If there is a link that you wish to add to your Navbar, you can select the Add Links button. Then you can click the checkbox next to the link you wish to add. For example, I'll select the Calendar tool to add. Once it's selected, I'll choose the Add button. If you did accidentally remove your course admin bar, you can always re-add it using this method. You also have the ability to add in a custom link to the Navbar as well. After you select Add Links, you can choose the Create Custom Link button at the top of the Add Links menu. Then type in the name of your link and insert a URL to its source. You can also insert a quick link to another area of your course if you wish. Then scroll down and choose how the link will appear to users after it's clicked. You can also optionally add a description of the link for yourself and limit the link's availability to specific roles. For example, you can limit a link only to instructors if you don't want students to see the link in the Navbar. Once you are finished, you can select Create. Then select Add. Once you are finished adjusting your navbar, you can select Save and Close. If you notice that your links aren't present in your navbar, select the More button to see additional links. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, subscribe to our channel.